Do you ever feel cramped or uncomfortable while typing for long periods of time? Or maybe you're left-handed and struggle with traditional keyboard layouts? I totally get it, because I was right there too. That's why I had to share this awesome find, the Meechin Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard with separate numeric keypad. It's like a breath of fresh air for your fingers and wrists. Now, what makes this keyboard so special? First, let's talk about the split design. The keyboard and the numeric keypad are separate, so you can place them however you like. I love that I can move the number pad to the left when I'm doing a lot of number crunching, especially helpful for my left hand. And when I want to save desk space, I simply slide the number pad away and use the main keyboard on its own. The wavy layout fits the natural shape of my hands, which feels so much better than a flat keyboard. And the built-in wrist rest? Yes, please. It's curved just right to give my hands a break while I type away, especially during long days. It connects through either Bluetooth or a USB receiver, which means I can switch between my laptop and my tablet with ease. I just click a button and I'm good to go. Super helpful when I'm juggling work and content creation. Another thing I love is the smart sleep mode. After 20 minutes, it powers down to save battery life. So smart. And speaking of power, just pop in a few AA batteries and you're all set. Batteries not included. Whether you're an accountant, a student, or someone like me who's on the computer a lot, this keyboard really helps you customize your space and work more comfortably. If you've been searching for a keyboard that feels good, works with your rhythm, and lets you move things around the way you like it, this one's for you.